Again, today we want to check the weight of our birds. They are 2 weeks, 4 days old. We want to make sure that they are feeding well. So we have our scale here. So we are going to check their weight. Okay. Alright, so you come here. Alright, let's see. Wow, 191 grams. That's good. That's good. Okay, let's take another. Okay. $200 grams. Wow. Wow. I'm feeding well. That's good. That's good. $188 grams. Great. Great. So our birds are feeding well. They are within the average body weight for 3 weeks for 4 days old birds. Thank you. Giving our birds, our 2-week-old birds, their first Newcastle vaccination. So the vaccines are to be kept at a temperature of about 2 degrees or 6 degrees Celsius. So we had to refrigerate them when we brought them back and transport them in a flask to keep the temperature stable. Okay, so you have to mix the vaccine with 5 gallons of water, which we have here. Okay, so there we go. So those are 5 gallons of water. So we are going to give this to the birds and they'll be fully vaccinated. We want to give our birds a cociodiostat this morning. So we are mixing a teaspoon of the cociodiostat with 5 liters of water. So here we have 45 liters of water. We are going to mix with 9 teaspoons of the cociodiostat. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. Yeah, so we are going to give